Hello everyone and welcome to the Reiji channel. This time we bring you Bandai Mobile Suit Variation number 10. 144 scale FA-78-1 Gundam Full Armor Type. It's also known as Full Armor Gundam. We will temporarily assemble and verify the modifications. First, separate the parts from the runner with nippers. Once the parts are detached, they should be managed carefully, so as not to lose them. The next step is gate removal. Remove the gate with thin blade nippers, being careful not to damage the part. Point it with super glue so that it can be disassembled later. After this, we will bring you the modification process. Let's start with the head modification. Shave and sharpen the mask. Remove the mold from the eyes. Replace it with FA-78-1. Cut off the neck part. 5mm square rod is used as the base inside, and a ball joint is installed. The neck has been extended by 2mm with plastic plate. Cut at the waist and cockpit line. Glue the 1mm plastic plate. 2mm on the waist side, 3mm extended at the cockpit. The base of the neck is made from 5mm plastic square rod and a poly cap. Make a hole in the chest duct. Enlarge it with a design knife. Give the surface a shaping treatment. Adler's nest honeycomb mesh is attached to the opening. A fin made from a plastic plate is attached to the back. Shoulder joints have been replaced with hobby base roll swing joints. It can be pulled out for a wider range of motion. Cut out front, side, and rear armor. Glue beams with 5mm plastic square rod. The top panel is made of 1mm plastic plate. Side armors are attached to the top panel via springs. Front and rear armor are made movable by a combination of springs and brass rods. Hip joints are replaced with poly caps. Shoulder armor is enlarged with plastic plate. Shoulder joints on the arm side have been changed to roll swing joints. And upper arm joints have been changed to axis with polycap runners. Elbow joints are changed to hobby-based disc joints for double movability. A support is made with plastic square rods in the forearms. Allowing the joints to be pulled out and bit more widely. Wrist joints changed to polycaps. Hip joints have been replaced with wave ball joints. Knee joints are installed with 5mm plastic rods with hobby-based disc joints. A support was made of 5mm plastic rod and attached to the lower leg. The range of motion can be widened by pulling out the joints. The installation has been done with as little change in appearance as possible. Use a design knife or etching saw to separate the ankle armor. The toe is shaved to make the shape more acute and sharp. The legs are connected with double ball joints for a wider range of motion. Ankle guards are fixed by clamping the joint base with plastic rods. The rocket launcher has replaced the connection with a disc joint. Elevation, tilt, and azimuth angles are movable by changing the mounting method.
Wash the parts with an ultrasonic cleaner. Add a small amount of neutral detergent. Stir and wash several times. Allow parts to dry completely, either naturally or in a drying booth. Prepare for painting by attaching handles to parts. Spray the surfacer to repair scratches, etc., and then spray the surfacer again. Khaki for the base coat. Olive drab 2 for second coat. Khaki green for the third coat. The white part is RLM76 light blue for the basic color. Gradation with IJN gray. Steel and iron for metallic colored parts. Panel lining with Tamiya panel line accent color. Decals are used with the included decals, Gundam decals, etc. Top coat with Gaia Notes EX Clear Premium. Assembly is completed while taking care not to damage the painted surface.